I have decided to build a spot welder, and this is where it all starts. I got this 2 farad capacitor that should be able to handle huge currents required to do the welding. To get the maximum power out of it, I had to connect some beefy wires to the capacitor's terminals. I had a hard time finding anything that would work in my parts bin, so I decided to make them myself. The wire that I used is approximately 5 mm in diameter. I just bent it around a screw that is part of the capacitor's connection assembly and soldered it so that it would keep its shape. To add some rigidity, I am wrapping the open side with some desoldering wire that is also made out of copper, and the good bit is that it's soaked in flux. To charge the capacitor, I'm using a lab power supply that can provide 19 volts at 3 amps. It takes only a few seconds for the capacitor to charge, and then it can unleash its power. The thickness of the wire is quite large, so I'm using my largest stick for the soldering iron and running it at 450 degrees Celsius. It takes a few seconds for the area to heat up, but it's manageable. The only problem I'm seeing with my setup is that I'm using a 0.5 mm solder, leaded of course, and I have to use a lot of it. For a job like this, I should get some way thicker solder. So now it's time to test my DUI connector. Yay! It fits like a glove. I think I should have some fun with low voltage but high current. Time for some sparks.